The two-day training was attended by women farmers, government officials and stakeholders who emphasized the critical role women play in the agricultural value chain, constituting over 60% of the nation's agricultural production. Facilitator at the session and program manager of the Center for Social Justice, Abuja, Mr. Sundesan Chidi, stressed that women's contribution to agriculture warrant more resources and attention. Mr. Chidi commended the Nasarawa State government for allocating over 24 billion naira to agriculture in 2025 and encouraged women farmers to engage with the government for better support.
There is need for the government to prioritize women because research has shown that more than 60% of the food we eat are produced by women. So women farmers should be encouraged to do better. In other words, more resources should be committed to the needs of women farmers.
Key stakeholders, including Program Manager of NADP, Umar Jibrin Nuhu, and the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Budget and Planning, Mr. Paulinus Wahe, represented by a Deputy Director of Budget, Mr. Achiaku Ezekiel, assured of the state government's commitment to improving agricultural policies, especially for women farmers. The project coordinator of SWOFON in Nigeria, Mrs. Ogechi Okebugu, emphasized the importance of women participation in budgeting to boost their productivity, saying the training aimed to advocate women's participation in budget process, enabling them to make demands on agricultural processes and timely release of agricultural inputs.
All we want from the government is that the government will make it an inclusive process, that the women can come into the same space and talk about their challenges and also make their demands known to the government, because issues around food insecurity is actually on the high right now.
The state coordinator of SWOFON, Mrs. Jumei Yohana, and other women stakeholders in attendance described the engagement as timely and worthwhile, pledging to utilize the knowledge gained to enhance their productivity. From Awa Diamond Hotel in Lafia, Gospel Edi, MBS News.